If you're experiencing connection errors in Elden Ring, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you get back into the game smoother. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Elden Ring website or social media channels to check if there are any ongoing server issues or maintenance. If the servers are down, you will need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart your game. Close Elden Ring completely and restart it. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve temporary connection issues and refresh your connection to the game servers. Step 3. Verify internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. You can do this by running a speed test or trying to connect to other online services. If your connection is weak, consider resetting your router or switching to a wired connection. Step 4. Adjust firewall and antivirus settings. Check your firewall and antivirus settings to ensure that they are not blocking Elden Ring. You may need to add the game to the exceptions list or temporarily disable the firewall to see if that resolves the connection error. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If all else fails, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling Elden Ring. This can fix any corrupted files that may be causing connection issues. Make sure to back up your save data if necessary. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the connection errors in Elden Ring. Good luck and enjoy your gaming experience.